Welcome back to Techie Dialogue. In this video, I'll show you how to merge cells in Google Sheets and explain what happens to text, formulas, and formatting when you do it. Step 1. Select the cells you want to merge. Then go to the right side of the toolbar and click the Merge Cells icon. Clicking it once will merge the selected cells, and clicking it again will unmerge them, which is useful if you want to undo the change quickly. Step 2. Understand how content behaves when cells are merged. When multiple cells contain text or formulas, Google Sheets keeps only the upper left cell's content and removes the rest, showing a warning before merging so you know data may be lost. Step 3. Use the small arrow next to the merge icon if you want more control, like merging only horizontally or vertically. This helps when working with tables, but selecting the exact cells you want and using the normal merge option is often the simplest method. Thanks for watching Techie Dialogue, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials.